everyone, Kelly Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. I am so pleased you've joined me today. It's a Stitch Fix day and I am so excited to break into this. It just got delivered to my front doorstep. I'm so excited to see what is inside this box. It's a little bit smaller than my boxes have been. So hopefully it's not filled with winter sweaters. If you are new to my channel, please be certain to subscribe. Hit that subscribe, turn it black, tap the bell, join me for another video. I make videos all about women's clothing, whether it be a style box or a shopping haul. Everything clothing. Okay, let's get into the Stitch Fix. I am going to leave everything you need to know about Stitch Fix, how to get your own Stitch Fix, to get paired up with a stylist. Everything you need to know about Stitch Fix will be in the description bar below, as well as my referral link. You can get straight to Stitch Fix by using my referral link, and if you use my referral link, you will get $25 on your first box, $25 credit. And in return, Stitch Fix also offers me $25 in credit. So thank you to everyone that has used my link. You help me more than you can possibly know. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Let's see what my stylist sent in this box. Here is my box. Everything I need to know about Stitch Fix is just printed right there. So they make it super easy on you. I have a return mailer. If anything in this box doesn't work, I don't have to buy it. I just put it in here, drop it off at the post office, postage free, yay. Then I have, oh, all of my stuff fell out of my envelope. Normally it's in the envelope, but I have a price sheet here and I have a note from my stylist with some styling suggestions. What is this? It doesn't make any noise. Okay, we have some jewels, and here is my bundle. What? This looks like the sweater that I sent back from my last fix. If you watched my last Stitch Fix, I received a very expensive fix, but there was a puffer jacket in that fix. That was $118, and that's the only thing I kept. I did have a mustard sweater that I really wanted to keep, but I just couldn't afford to keep anything else. I relayed that to my stylist in my feedback, and do we have the same mustard sweater? Is it a different one? Let's crack open and see. This looks exactly the same. Oh my goodness, look at this. Yes, it was a Stitch Fix exclusive, pink clover, I believe. Let's see. Pink clover. Okay, so this is in fact the pink clover, turtleneck, cowl neck, long tunic style, mustard colored, wonderful sweater. This was actually a very reasonable price, but I was already spending so much with the coat that I couldn't get both. I really couldn't fit it into my budget, so I am real happy to get this. I did leave feedback and let them know that my fixes have been far too expensive. They have sent lots of things that I want to buy, but I cannot afford to buy them, even with the discount, because, you know, I'm always looking for a 5 for 5, and okay, hopefully we're off to a good start. I'm real excited to have this sent to me again. Okay, next up we have some denim, and these are by Just USA. These are the Leah zipper high-rise skinny jean in Indigo, and they look like a really just a little bit darker than a dark wash, but a very clean denim all the way down the leg. So, oh, there's the zipper. We do have a zipper. So I appreciate a little extra detail on these. And we do have clean pockets. These look really promising. Let's cross our fingers that they're affordable. The next top, I already love the colors. Oh, cool. And this is a long sleeve top. Look at those colors. I did switch my profile and said, okay, send me some florals because I want something a little bit different. This almost looks like a little peasant top. Who is it by? This is by Fun to Fun. It is called the Mei Li Pleated Detail top in red. This is a size medium. We do have like a 3/4 length sleeve. These are not tab sleeves. I think that's a 3/4. Otherwise it's going to be short. and the pleat detail, the open front, a few buttons. I think those are faux buttons. Yeah, just faux buttons on the front. I hope this one works for me. And the last clothing item is navy blue. This is by Westkey, and I just wore Westkey yesterday. It's got a high, like, crew neck, and we do have a keyhole back with a button there. Do we have on the sleeve? It's an elastic sleeve there. This is the print. It's navy, and it has kind of some tan. Two different shades of tan are the flowers and some darker navy flowers. This is really sheer. So this is going to have to be worn with a cami, I believe. Or is it? Yeah. This is not lined, so it looks pretty sheer. Okay, what is it? What is it, you ask? Let me tell you. This is Westkey Alexandra crew neck blouse in navy, size medium. So, okay. I'm game to try it, and the good stuff. Let's see what kind of jewels I got. This is Kate Spade. I love Kate Spade. It says it's in gold, small square studs. Okay. Oh, I love these. I love these. Look at that. Aren't they marvelous? Oh my goodness. They say small, but these are actually going to be a really kind of a bigger stud earring on me. These are beautiful, very nice. And I love that they're Kate Spade, and it also comes with a little bag. So if you wanted to buy these for a gift, you have your Kate Spade bag to give them as a gift, which I'm not doing. I would keep these. I probably am keeping these for myself. So what do you think about the clothing that I received? You saw the title of the video. I titled it 5 for 5 because when I tried everything on, I loved it all. I wanted to keep everything, but I did sleep on it. Yes, today is a brand new day, and I am back to offer you my final thoughts. I still like everything. I'm just not certain I need to keep everything, but there are some pieces in here that I absolutely love. So I did get a note from my stylist, and all she does is tell me how to pair the different items that she sent. But let me show you something that's really interesting. See this red top? She asked me to pair it with an olive pencil skirt, which I just picked up in one of my Nadine West bagging. So that looks like a really fun outfit. And I also like the jeans with that bright colored sweater. So, okay, let's talk about prices now. I'll start from number 1 and go to my least favorite. My very favorite thing in this box are this Kate Spade earrings, and these are $38. The price tag on the back of these earrings also says that they're $38. And I have noticed with Stitch Fix, when they have sent me basically higher end items, if I search for them online or go to like the Kate Spade website or different websites from the brand, they're the exact same prices. There is no markup with Stitch Fix. I absolutely adore these earrings. In fact, I wore them all evening yesterday. So I will be keeping these earrings at $38. My favorite piece of clothing, you guessed it, the red Fun to Fun top. I really like this. Now, this is one of the more expensive pieces in this box, although it is affordable. This is $48. I am having second thoughts about this piece after sleeping on it, and I'll tell you why. I got real excited to get a fun red piece. It's lighter in weight. I was very excited about that. This is 100% rayon, which is not my favorite fabric. It feels wonderful, but it wrinkles as you wear it. So it is a breathable fabric that feels good when you're wearing it. It also shrinks. Like I said, this is kind of a lightweight peasant blouse, and I don't know. I don't know that it's worth $48. I mean, it does tickle my fancy. I am so curious to hear what you think about this Fun to Fun blouse. Next up is the turtleneck, the cowl neck. This is pink clover. This is still $48. I loved it before. I still love it now. The only question is, I've already sent sweaters that I liked back because I'm all stocked up on sweaters, but when I see that style card and I could wear this one with that olive pencil skirt, I think that would pair so nicely. So, you know, I loved it before. I still love it. I think that this one should be a keeper. And then should I be done? I should be done with sweaters at this point, but $48 for this sweater. Next up is the West Kee blouse. This one's only $38 and I like it all right. I like the sleeves on it. I thought the sleeves were kind of fun, but I had to push them up because the elastic was far too large for my arm where it actually hit. I'm not real excited about it. I think it's beautiful. I just don't know. I mean, if it's a 5 for $5, I will definitely rock this someplace in my wardrobe, but I can certainly live without it as well. The last thing are the denims. These are the Just USA denim, and they have that zip detail. I don't know. I mean, they just didn't do much for me. I don't really understand the zip detail on the inside of the leg. I think it makes more sense if they put it on the outside of the leg so that you can actually see it. I was thinking, okay, if I crossed my legs, you could see it, but there's just so little of it. These are $58. And that's a wonderful price for denim. They just don't wow me. They're stretchy. They fit fine. I'm just not wowed by them. I don't know. Yesterday, I thought they were great because I was so excited about the zipper. But the thing about the zipper is, if you're going to wear them with booties or need to roll them at all, this zipper actually gets in the way. So although they're a great length for me, right where they're at, this is the only way you can wear them. So of course, like, I'm second guessing myself on these jeans now. Okay, the good news is this fix is very, very affordable. Thank you so much for listening to me, Stitch Fix. I really appreciate that. The entire box is $230. If I keep everything, the buy all discount is $57.50, which brings the total of this box to $172.50. So that is the best price box I have seen in a long while. So that is very promising. This fix will not break the bank. But again, I've slept on it one night. I'm not sure that I need to keep everything. The earrings are staying with me. I really wanted the red blouse, but today I am second guessing it only because of the fabric content. Let me know what you think about the denim. Do you have any denim that have detail on the inside of the leg, like a zipper or anything like that? And how do you style them if you have them? Just curious. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. I will have another video for you in just 2 days, so I hope you will come back and watch that video. Could you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it? It really helps me out. So I thank you so much for your thumbs up. I'll see you in just a couple days. Blessings to all of you.